Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Nginx cache purges with Fastly on VPS detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your VPS using an SSH client. Use your preferred terminal emulator to establish the connection. Once logged in, ensure your system packages are up to date. Run the command to update the package list. Next, install the necessary dependencies for Nginx in Fastly. If you haven't installed Nginx yet, use your package manager to do so. After Nginx is installed, open the Nginx configuration file for editing. Typically, this file is located in the /etc/Nginx/sites available/directory. Add the Fastly configuration snippet for purging cached content. This snippet usually includes custom headers required for Fastly. Next, configure the location block to handle cache purge requests. Ensure the block specifically allows HTTP delete methods for purging. Save your changes and close the configuration file. To check for syntax errors in your configuration, run the Nginx test command. If there are no errors, proceed to reload Nginx to apply your changes. Now, log into your Fastly dashboard. Select the service you want to set up cache purges for. Navigate to the Versions tab and create a new version. In the new version, navigate to the Settings section. Make sure to set the correct API key for purging from Fastly. Next, configure the appropriate caching rules for your application. Under Cache Settings, you can define custom purge rules. Ensure you save all changes to the Fastly service version. Once done, activate the new service version in Fastly. After activating, test the purge functionality via a simple curl request. Use the command line to send a delete request to your server. Monitor the response to verify that the purge was successful. You can now check the Fastly dashboard for cache hit/miss statistics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.